All right, guys, we got a 2018 Chevrolet Malibu, and the running light here is busted out. So I've ordered a new one, and we're going to see about changing this. Let me get set up. Oh, the nice thing about it is this is my neighbor's car, and apparently she drove through concrete, wet concrete at some point, and it's all dry on here. So we've got a screw here, here, and here. I'm hoping, I've got the wheels turned all the way to the right. What I'm hoping to be able to do, take these screws out right here, pull this back, and reach in there and get to the nuts holding it on. Let me show you the new light here. This is how it bolts on. It looks like there's 5 nuts. Of course, the connector. This is all integral LED light. So we're going to see about getting that put in. It also came with a new chrome piece here. I don't know if you have to pull that off to actually get this out, as well as this little black piece here. So let's take a look real quick. Okay, so there's the light, here's the chrome piece, and then the black piece here. So it's possible that they're not expecting you to be able to get all this out without breaking it. I don't know, but I'm going to try to just take the light out first and put the new light in without taking this piece or this piece off. All right, guys, I kind of chipped away the concrete around those fasteners. So let's see what we can do here. I feel one underneath here, so we're going to take that out too. I don't know if I really needed to. Now let's see if we can pry that open. I've disconnected the connector. The little red locking tab pulled all the way out, but it looks like it's not broke. It just pulled all the way out, so I'll be able to put that back in. And I've got the top fastener out. Hopefully you're able to see that. I used my long extension with a swivel. Now if you bend the horn up, it's on a little flimsy bracket, and you can bend it back with no problem. If you want to completely remove it, you can remove this 10 millimeter. That allows you to get your arm back there, and you should be able to get back there just fine with a regular little ratchet. So now I'm going to take that connector out. I'm sorry, that fastener, and then there's a fastener right down in there. And that light, hopefully, will be able to pop right out of there. So let's see here. There she is. And yeah, so the black piece, because I was wondering if this black piece would have gained me any additional access, and it wouldn't have. The chrome piece wouldn't have either. So if you're thinking of popping these out, you're not going to really gain much. Okay. Three of them were tight. Come in here, the last one. All right. All right. Horns bent back in place. The back fastener back there's in, that fastener, that fastener, that fastener down in there, connectors, both connectors. So now it's just a matter of putting the wheel well liner back together. But first, let's turn them on and make sure that it's going to work. All right, so it looks like it works. Only thing that's left is just putting stuff in this back in here where she belongs and putting the screws in. And we're done. I'm not going to show that, no reason to. Anyway, you guys take care. 2018 Malibu. I don't know if that's daytime running light or what, but anyway, we replaced it. You guys take care.